Hey guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another video. I recently had a friend ask me to get her some headphones that were inexpensive off Amazon. So I went on Amazon, did a little research, and I ran across these headphones from Sony. They are the MDR ZX310 AP. Sony has got to do something with the names they give their products. But anyway, these headphones retail for $17.99. So I ended up buying two sets. I gave her one set she paid me for, and I kept the other set, which is this set, the black and red, to try out, just to test to see how good they are, because the reviews, I think they have like a 4.5 star rating for these headphones for $18. So I'm like, okay, let me check them out and see what they're about. So I got them and tried them. I tried them first in the Apple phone, and it's okay. I mean, for 18 bucks, I'm not gonna say that they're the greatest thing I ever heard, or you know, they match some of the other, like the Sony XM4s or the AirPod Pros or the Bose QVCs. I'm not saying any of that now. And I'm not an audiophile, I'm not a headphone expert. But I've listened to enough. I have enough in-ear and over-ear headphones, and I've had a pair of on-ear, which is what these are, headphones from Samsung. And these, for the price point, are decent. I'm not gonna say they're the greatest, but they're decent for what you're getting for 18 bucks. They are loud enough to cover up a lot of sound, and it, like you're playing a video game or you just on a conference call or something like that, they'll work fine. Now the versions that I ended up getting for 18 bucks, they don't have a microphone. They have this one button, which is just a mute button. But there is no mics on this set that I have. They do sell a set that's similar to this that come with a mic. Like if you're talking on the phone or you're doing a conference call, you can speak through the headphones. And I believe those are about $25 instead of the $18. But she just basically wanted to listen to music, and I just wanted to just try them out just to see what they're about. And I'm only gonna keep them maybe another week, and then I'm gonna give them to somebody who actually could use them. Because I just picked them up to try them out. So I would just say, man, for somebody out there looking for an inexpensive pair of headphones that are decent in sound, and you have a headphone jack on your phone, or you need a headphone jack for your computer, your gaming, these are nowhere near like any of the other higher quality, right? The build quality on these things are okay. They're gonna stretch out pretty far, they're gonna creak, they're gonna make all kind of noises. But they haven't broke so far that I've been using them. And they do fold up a little bit, and you can put them in a much smaller package than some of the other things that I have, like my AirPod Pros, or excuse me, my AirPod Max, that don't fold up at all. These do fold up a little bit, so you'll be able to buy some kind of case to put these in. But overall, man, I would give them, you know, especially for the price point, I give them a C. All right, guys. That's gonna be it for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out. Peace.